What'd you just eat? Kaylin, what'd you just eat? Hmm? All over your face. No, no, no.
You're not supposed to blow the New Year's Eve noisemakers yet. We have to wait until the New Year comes in. No, it's not going to come in through the door, Mike. I'll explain it to you. Just like Christmas Eve is the night before Christmas, New Year's Eve is the night before the start of the New Year. When the New Year starts, you blow on the noisemakers and say, Happy New Year!
Bye.
Then you